What's up, everybody? This your boy once again. Look where we at today. North Shore area, Wailua. Yes, sir. And today it looks like we got 81 stops. Ooh, YMCA all the way out there. Hello. These views over here are so beautiful. Let's get it, people. Let's get it. Yep, it looks like we got like 10 bags and 27 overflows since it's a far drive all the way out there. I think it takes like an hour to get out there. But yeah, let's go, people. Let's go. Once again, we have this much. So this is tote 1, tote 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, just to get them out of the way, of course. And then, of course, we got 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh yeah. And of course, we got all the overflows on this side. All of these are going first, along with these. And then the last ones are going to be right here, which are the 300s. And about to head up. Wailua today. Beautiful scenery. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this today. After 40 minutes of driving, we are finally at our first destination. Oh my god. Ooh, one of my favorite stops over here, bruh. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know why? Because, let's see. Check it out. Whee! Hi guys. How you guys doing today? They're just like, bye. Oh, look. Just wait. Scratching itself. Hi. I'll see you guys. So this GPS pointed me all the way out here, but it's actually the first gate of this airfield. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue on to my next stop, and then when I come back this way, I'll hit it up. Woo, we out here in YMCA Wailua. Beautiful. Check it out. We're going to go jump away. We're at the airfield right now in Wailua. Just delivered the package all the way at the Go Jump next to Skydive Hawaii. Heading back onto the main road. Whew, let's go. Oh, I love delivering to these places in Wailua. Huge yards. You know what I'm saying? Love it. Someone's barbecuing. Oh, my ninja. Yes, sir. How you doing? Well, it is 1:55 right now, and we are on number 49. Had to jump some totes because for some reason the routing wasn't the right way, like when I first had this place. But now the grouping pins and the routings are like off. So yeah, Look at that. It is now 2:51. I'm on stop 61. Yes, sir. My last stop is gonna be at 83. Yep, I had to skip 39 because there was no answer to it. So you know, I'd rather bring it back than leave it somewhere it's not safe. Shooting. Bruh, walking these long driveways over here takes up a lot of time, and this thing is too narrow to drive through. I mean, I could've, but I got these trees hanging out the other side of these fence, so I don't want to scratch up my sweet potato. Yep, this is the kind of driveways we deal with. Oh yeah, location is all the way back there. And we can't drive through with this because look at all these trees. But it's all good. At least we can walk it. Yeah, I just hope that next door over here no more dog because there's no fence over there. Oh, mama. Mama. So we're done with our route. We're about to go rescue. Yeah. It is now 4:31 and we're about to go to Illinois, which is all the way in Pro City. Okay, it'll be like 31 minutes drive, but let's go. I just want to give a shout out to Taylor. Taylor, thank you for the food. Every time I come rescue you, always give me something to eat and drink. So thank you. Bop. Bop. Now, time to finish the 3 toasts that I got from Number of the Man. Let's go. So I got rescued because I got to close today. So yeah, thank you Pomai for coming through. I only had 7 stops left, but just because I got to close, I got to head back already. But yeah, good run today. It was a good run. I ain't gonna lie. From Wailua all the way to Pro City. Let's get it. All right. Okay. Weird, but okay. Alrighty, here we are doing a walk of shame to check if there's any vehicle that left their lights or hazards on, and yeah, you know, it's been a good day. Sweet Potato took care of me. Love you, Sweet Potato. And yeah, but yeah, you guys have a wonderful day, and stay safe out there.